Wizard.
Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I'm here on a deck we just completed with our Deck Restoration Plus Moorestown Brown. A lot of going on here. Got guys working on the pool. We're doing some touch-ups on some teak furniture and so forth. But it rained actually on here, believe it or not, 30 minutes last night after we finished the deck. We're out here this morning to make sure everything is perfect. And as you can see, the Deck Restoration Plus Moorestown Brown, no white spots, no nothing. See some of my footprints from dirty footprints maybe, but other than that, it came out beautiful. They went with a darker color. That's what they wanted. We came out this morning, they said, you know, it's a little darker than we thought it was going to come out. It was on the test board, but they're happy with it. They had lighter colors before, showing up everything. They wanted a little contrast, something dark. Then they went with more along those. This is a cedar deck too, by the way. This cedar deck presented some issues because it had a lot of dark spots in it that would come back, which was tannin, and we've seen this occasionally with cedar where you see black spots come back even after you brighten it. It looks beautiful. You come back, you're like, wow, what happened? So that's another reason why they wanted to do that, because we're the third person that's been out here. They had a contractor come out here first, did it, no luck. Second time they had a floor person come out, worse. Now they called in Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises to do the work. We did it. Our Moorestown Brown looks great. Like I said, you can check it out. You still see the grain, see the character of the wood. We already talked to them about maintenance. We'll be back in 2 years to do a light cleaning, recoat, 2 coats on the floor, 1 coat on the verticals. Keep going. I never have to reinvent the wheel. So they're very happy. They're extremely happy about the how we've responded to things like the rain. We're back the next morning, and how responsive we've been to the calls. All these things are good things that you should, if you're a contractor watching this video, that you should highlight. You know, people aren't necessarily, I mean, the work and the quality of the workmanship is always important, but the number one thing that makes you different from other companies is the details, the attention to detail, coming back, being responsive, that kind of stuff. And that's what we do. So we're proud of the employees we have here, the people working, our group, our team here. We're proud of our product, and we're really happy that the customer's happy. So Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, showing you some actual Moorestown Brown on a cedar deck, and this is in Merchantville, New Jersey. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.